Stop! Stop! Seriously, stop using old ugly message boxes in C Sharp. It completely freezes your application, locks up the UI, and absolutely ruins your user experience. It looks like the software from 20 years ago. Think about it. The moment that the gray box pops up, user can't click anything else. The whole app is held hostage until they click OK button. In 2026, your users expect smooth, seamless interfaces, not shaking troubles. Here is the fix: a modern custom asynchronous toast system. It slides up quietly in the corner, tells the user what happened, and stays completely out of the way so they can keep working without interruption. Let me open Visual Studio 2026. We are interested to open an existing solution. I provided the source code in the description below. You may help to download it. Now I click on the simple interest app solution. Wonderful. The solution loaded successfully. Now I double click on the toast form. We have created a simple borderless form. How I set a borderless form? I go to properties. We have a form border style to none. If I change some other border style, you can notice here we have a border. But for our demo, we don't want border. So I set it to none. That's it. It's a very simple form. Next is we are going to look into the view code. I already told in the previous videos what is the shortcut to go into the code file. You can right click anywhere else on the screen and press view code, or you can use your shortcut key F7. Now I choose view code. This is the actual code to perform the toast form. This does heavy lifting. It changes the colors, adds your text, and uses a built-in timer to smoothly slide the alert up and down on your screen. Third is we have a toast manager CS. Actually, this is the boss. We design a different color for success, error, and warning. This file tracks every open alert. If you trigger multiple alerts, it takes them neatly in a line so they do not overlap. Now let me run the application. Press start button, or you can use the shortcut key F5. Wonderful. Look at here. We have a beautiful three buttons. One button is for success. Another button is for warning. Third button is for error. Right click and view code. You can see here. Just I call the toast manager. Where is the toast manager? We have a toast manager CS here. We have show success, show error, and show warning function. Simply I call the function wherever you want. I pass the message. That's it. Next is warning. If you want to send a warning message, you can call show warning. If you want to call your error message, then you can call show error. Wherever you want, you can call the function in one line. That's it. Now we are going to test the success message. Trigger success alert button. See here we have a beautiful layout for the pop-up. That's it. Automatically disappear. Next I click trigger warning alert. See here we have a warning color with message. Next is error. I click on the error button. What a beautiful feature. Now let me show you the default message box behavior. So I switch to another form, calculate interest form. In the calculate interest form, we have a default message box. Now I press F5 or start the application. I provide input. I press save interest. See here, this is the built-in message box. What is the disadvantage of this? Without click OK button, you cannot proceed any other actions. See here, I try to click calculate button, but it doesn't allow you to proceed. Why? You have to close this button. So I press OK, then you can press calculate. What is the main difference between standard message box and asynchronous toast? In the standard message box, the thread will be blocked, whereas in the toast, it is an completely asynchronous flow. You can see a sample. We have a message box. It is a thread blocked. Until you click OK button, you cannot perform any other action. Whereas in the toast form, it is completely asynchronous workflow. It will automatically pop up in the bottom, then it will be disappear within the few seconds. You can still continue your operation. Next is fluent styling, which is Windows standard. Whereas in the toast form, it is 100% custom themes. You can see a sample. It is a standard Windows color. Whereas in the toast form, whatever color you want, you can customize it. Third is dismissal logic. When you see a message box, there is a action required. Whereas in the toast form, you no need to wait for the action. I switch to the sample one. See here, you manually need to press OK button. Whereas in the toast form, disappeared automatically. That's it. Now your C# desktop app looks like premium modern platform. I have dropped the complete clean architecture source code down description below. Hit that follow button and let's build better software together. Thank you for watching.